What's up guys, welcome back to another video Techno review. My name is Rohan and today we're going to look at the Flexispot home office standing desk exercise bike. So let's roll in the intro. Okay guys, so here is the product. This is a Flexispot and you can see there is a picture of the bike on the outside. And you get it in this kind of packaging. I just got it delivered like this, so you can expect something this probably the same thing. So now let's open the box. So inside this you can find a manual, and inside it tells you that it's an all-in-one exercise workstation. It's a 1-minute assembly, and it's a part exercise bike and it's a part standing desk, and it has easy rolling casters so you can roll it instead of lifting it, and it has an on-demand height adjustable chair so it matches any height, and also you can move your desk back and forth if you want it to be more away from you or closer to you. Now, let's put this aside. So the first thing you do when you get the bike is to open the 4 wheels, which means you can close this in, and actually it's really portable if you do it that way, but the downside is that it's really heavy. So the first thing you do is to open those, and then the second thing is to open the pedals, and until you make that sound. And let's do the same for the right. So the next thing you do is to put the table on top. So let's get the table. Let's put some grips on the side so it's safe to use even though you're barefoot. I've put the grips on both pedals. So now this bike is ready. We just need to add the battery so that it can run the tracker, so it can track your miles, the RPM, your calories, distance, speed. So you can do all of those things. So now that feature is to put your drink, and it makes sure it doesn't slip. So that's why this is here. You can just change your speed from it's from 1 to all the way to 8. So this changes like the difficulty. These are not buttons. This is the only button here. So let's test this out. So before that, actually, I want to show you the feature where you can raise the height of this. So you press this lever right here and you just lift it, so it lifts for you. This is a bit too high. Let's make this perfect. Yes, and it has to be good enough so that your leg doesn't bump into the table. And you can also move this table back and forth if you want it closer to you or farther away from you. You probably noticed that you probably can't even hear the sound of the pedaling, which is a good thing. If you have like a FaceTime call or like a Zoom meeting for your school like I have, this is going to be really quiet and no one's going to notice you pedaling or exercising while you're doing work. So another thing you probably noticed is this cushioning part here, which is really comfortable. I actually love this part. This gives a good rest for your arms, and you can just, it feels much better than using like a laptop normally. It's a good rest here. Overall, I would say that this is a really good product, definitely worth its price. It's about $400 on Amazon. You can search it up and I'll leave the link in the description. This product is definitely worth its price. The materials used for this is really nice. I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants to do work and exercise at the same time and probably doesn't have access to a gym, so this would be really good for them. And this is really good in our time period right now when we're surviving during a pandemic and we're quarantined at home. So this can be a really useful item for you guys. You know, you can stay at home and exercise. So I would definitely recommend this product to anyone during this time. So guys, thank you for watching. Let's roll in the outro. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please click here if you want to subscribe to my channel, and please leave a like if you liked my video. So guys, be safe and keep healthy, and don't forget to wash your hands. So guys, bye-bye.